back again, another Animoji unboxing. So basically this is a little bit longer than the previous video. It's more than 1 minute, but yeah, it's still pretty much short. So this is almost the last video, so I only need to record one more after this, and then I basically try to do other things that's probably a little bit like personal productivity things, but yeah, I don't know whether it is actually more worthy than doing any other things that basically can be considered as a personal productivity thing as well, because for some reason I already tried to make a lot of various kind of personal productivity things, but none of them is still not going the way that I expected yet. But it's okay, since yeah, I don't know, I still have so many that I can think of, although it's basically not everything, because I do